What turns $200 a month into $1 million? And why does the same 200, started 10 years later, become less than half? It's one principle most schools never teach. And there's one specific account that turns this principle into your biggest tax-free advantage. We'll get to that account later. First, let me show you the math. It's not income. It's not luck. It's not stock picking. It's something Albert Einstein famously called the eighth wonder of the world. Compound interest. I'm Maya, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how much you'd have today if you started 10 years ago. The number will probably make you uncomfortable, but the second number, the one for 10 years from now, will make you start. Most people think compound interest is just earning interest. It's not. It's earning interest on your interest. Let me show you simply. Imagine you put $1,000 in an account earning 10%. After year 1, you have $1,100. Year 2 is where the magic starts. You don't earn 10% on the original 1,000. You earn 10% on the 1,100. That's 1,210. Each year, the gain gets bigger. Not because you're adding more money. Your money is making money. And then that money starts making money. After 10 years, your 1,000 has more than doubled. After 30 years, over 17,000. Same starting amount, same rate, just time. This is why investing at 25 matters more than the amount you invest. It's the single biggest reason most Americans never build wealth. They wait too long, or they never start. They look at investing and think, I don't have enough money to make a difference. But the math doesn't care how much you start with. The math cares how much time you give it. Now let me show you the chart that should be on every fridge in America. Two women. Both invest $200 a month in a basic index fund. Both earn the historical S&P 500 average of 7%. The only difference, Maria starts at 25, Jessica starts at 35, just 10 years apart. By age 65, here's where they end up. Maria has $525,000. Jessica has $244,000. Same monthly contribution, same return, less than half the wealth. Right now you might be thinking, but I can't afford $200 a month right now. That's fine. The number matters less than you think. We'll get to the actual amount you need in a minute. What matters is this. Maria invested $96,000 of her own money over 40 years. The market gave her $429,000 on top. Jessica invested $72,000 of her own money over 30 years. The market gave her $172,000 on top. That extra 10 years didn't double Maria's wealth. It more than doubled it. This is what financial advisors mean when they say time is the asset. Now let me show you what happens if Maria earns the historical S&P average of 10%. Instead of the conservative 7 we just used. The same $200 a month, the same 40 years, but at 10%. She has $1.27 million. I want you to sit with that for a second. The average American household saves nothing for retirement and feels behind. But $200 a month, started at 25, becomes more than what most retirees ever accumulate. Not because of high income, not because of stock picking, not because of luck. Because of time, plus one math principle, plus consistency. And here's the part that should make you uncomfortable. Women statistically start investing later than men. Fidelity's research found that 71% of women keep most of their savings in cash. Not because they're worse with money, they actually outperform male investors when they do invest. But they wait. They feel they need more knowledge first, more money first, more security first. That hesitation costs millions over a lifetime. So where do you actually put money to get this kind of growth? You don't need anything fancy, you need 3 accounts, and you can open all of them this afternoon. Account 1. The High Yield Savings Account, or HYSA. Big banks pay around 0.01% on traditional savings. That's basically zero. Online banks like Marcus, Ally, and Discover pay 4 to 5% right now. Same FDIC insurance, just better math. This is where your emergency fund lives, not your investment money, just the cash you might need next month. We'll cover exactly how much you need next video. For now, 3 to 6 months of expenses is the standard. Now, this next account is where most Americans go wrong. Not because they choose the wrong one, because they never open it at all. Account 2. A regular brokerage account. This is where you buy the S&P 500, the whole American economy in one fund. Historical return, around 10% a year. You can open one at Fidelity or Vanguard in 10 minutes. But here's where it gets interesting. There's one more account that does everything account 2 does, plus one thing the IRS can never take from you. Account 3. The Roth IRA. Same investments inside as account 2. But here's the difference. The growth is tax-free, forever. Maria's $525,000? If that grew inside a Roth, she keeps every penny. If it grew in a regular taxable account, she might owe over $100,000 to the IRS in retirement. Same money, same time. Different account, 6-figure difference. We'll do a full Roth IRA breakdown in a few weeks. For now, just know the order. Emergency fund in HYSA, then Roth IRA up to the limit, then regular brokerage for the rest. 3 accounts, 1 afternoon to open all of them. Now here's your action plan. It takes 30 minutes total. Step 1. Open one investing account today. Not next week, not when you've researched everything. Today. Fidelity, Vanguard, and Schwab are the big 3. All free, no minimum. 10 minutes online from your phone. If you're not ready for investing yet, start with an HYSA at Ally or Marcus. Same time to open, 5% interest while you learn. Step 2. Set up an automatic transfer. $25 a week, $50 a week. Whatever you can sustain without thinking. The amount matters far less than the automatic part. Money you have to manually move never gets moved. Step 3. Don't touch it. For at least 10 years, ideally 20, compound interest is mostly backloaded. The first 10 years feel slow. The next 20 are where the millions happen. Don't withdraw it for a wedding you can't afford. Don't withdraw it for a friend's emergency. Don't withdraw it because you saw a sale. The math only works if time runs. Let me show you what $50 a week becomes. $50 a week is $200 a month. Over 40 years at 7%, that's $525,000. You don't need to be rich to start. You need to be patient enough to let the math run. The reason most Americans don't build wealth isn't because they don't earn enough. It's because they delay starting, or they wait until they have a perfect plan. Compound interest doesn't reward perfection. It rewards starting. A messy investment account, opened today, beats a perfect one, opened in 3 years. One last thing before you go. Most people watching this video will close it, agree it was useful, and do nothing this week. 3% will actually open an account today. If you're going to be in that 3%, comment the word started below. I read everyone, and it tells me what content to make next. Subscribe, and I'll see you next Friday. Same time, same channel, real numbers, no hype, no products to sell you. Next video, the 3 numbers that decide whether you survive a job loss without going into debt. It's not 3 to 6 months of expenses. That's the generic answer. The real answer depends on 3 numbers you've probably never calculated. I'll show you exactly how. Real Federal Reserve data. I'm Maya. Your future self is counting on you. Don't make them wait another decade.